Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video, I just want to talk about the Galaxy Buds that I have. I made a video regarding these Galaxy Buds that they won't charge, obviously. The issue was kind of similar to other users around the world, that they had also reported some similar cases when right or maybe the left bud won't pick up the charge from the case. So I just kind of gave up on this thing, that it's gonna charge again or not. So but I was kind of optimistic at sometimes that maybe it will charge. So it's like 2 days ago I just realized that it can be charged. The reason behind is that it's not the birds which are dead, it's actually the case which is dead. Because normally what happens is, when you are using your Galaxy Buds and when you are putting them back right into the case actually recharges them. So what I realized with my scenario here is that in my case the case has actually died. This meant that it won't actually charge the birds inside. So therefore I kind of did the trick. Obviously some other YouTubers have also done this method which I'm about to tell you, but in those scenarios the the case is actually working. Here in my case the case is dead. So what I did, obviously I knew that it will turn green when I put the USB type C cable inside it. But then I tried my luck. What I did was I opened these Galaxy Buds and I just separately tried charging these. Like I put right bud inside, and then I placed, I charged the bird through the external power source. And maybe after maybe 10-15 minutes I removed it and I put the left ones inside, and then again I charge this. Even though the case was showing green, but I let it charge. Then I realized that yeah, it's actually working. And soon after, the right bud, which wasn't picking any charge, had already charged 100%. So as you can see, whenever I close this bud case, this red light blinks and it vanishes. So this shows that the case has actually died and the birds are alive. Obviously it would be hectic to charge again and again, but uh, first thing first, I guess the birds are working, so that's pretty good news. So if you are facing a similar issue like this, you can easily uh, you know fix this by charging your buds separately. Or there is a trade-in offer by Samsung which is currently running in UK and USA. You can just trade in your old buds and get a new one for a discount. Since I'm not getting a new ones pretty soon, so I'll be using these. And yeah, it's the method that you can use to charge your Galaxy Buds again. So that's pretty much it, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.